Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Ithonga on Monday, two flames flickering, one extinguished. Sanele and Sanele are rushed to hospital where their twin lives hang in the balance. On Tuesday, the many deaths will die today. Zama receives the utterly crushing news that render her efforts to win over her father not, while Pablo himself fears dealing with the ramification of his actions. On Wednesday, Gugulami, Pablo goes to war to protect his secret while Sanele struggles with the death of a loved one. Manduli gets closer and closer to the truth. On Thursday, in the shadow of the grave, Zama has a difficult decision to make to respect Pablo's wish or to honor Banele. Sanele's attempt to sever ties with Banele takes a turn. On Friday, echoes of the departed. Manduli finds out about Banele's secret life. The puzzle pieces are finally together. Sanele grapples with his grief, but an extraordinary encounter forces him to question his destiny. Overwhelmed by loss, Zama's actions leave her father desperate to protect her and his own dark secrets. Thank you guys for watching.